Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 amazing shortcut key for Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The fifth one in this tutorial, if you press Windows plus dots, and then it's going to pump up different emoji, just like what you see on the screen right here. So you can use the emoji. So you can see different emojis right here. So you can come down below right here and switch to any part of the emoji right here. And you can come to the top right here and see different kind of symbol that you can simply insert in your Windows PC, just like what you see right here, such as degree, percentage, sign, money, currency sign, etc. Then you can scroll up to the top and see different things there. You can also go back to emoji section right there, then come to the next one right here and come down below here and see different emojis and different balloons that you can use all for free in Windows PC. So this is the fifth one I have for you as far as top 5 amazing shortcut key in Windows PC is concerned. Let's take a look at the fourth one I have for you as far as top 5 shortcut amazing key is concerned in Windows PC. So the fourth one I have for you here is when you press Windows plus V on your keyboard. When you press Windows plus V, this is going to pump up all your clipboard history here. It's going to pump up all information you have been copied so far from your Windows PC. You are going to find them right here, and it's as simple as that. So let's take a look at the third one. So the third one, if you press Control, Shift, and Escape on your PC keyboard, this is going to pump up and it take you to all the task manager you have on your PC. From the top right here, you have processor, you have processes, and you have performance right here, and then you have app history, you have startup app, you have users, you have details, and you have services. It's as simple as that. So this is the third one I have for you. So let's take a look at the second one I have for you as far as top 5 amazing shortcut keyboard is concerned in Windows PC. So the second one I have for you here, if you press Windows plus I, it takes you straight into PC settings. So just like what you see right here, these are different settings that you can explore as far as Windows PC is concerned. So let's take a look at the fourth one as far as top 5 amazing shortcut keys is concerned in Windows PC. So if you press Windows plus A on your keyboard, it's going to open up Action Center on your PC. So under the Action Center, you can simply navigate from Windows security, virus and threat protection, update virus protections right here, update virus protection, then Windows Defender. You can click on see more in team to see more information about as far as Action Center is concerned. Then under the Action Center, you can come down below right here and you see Bluetooth and then night mode report. Then you can also have access to your location in this particular section right here. It's as simple as that. So these are 5 amazing shortcut key I have for you for Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.